Hello and welcome. It is Nomadic Shaman here. Thank you for visiting my page. I'm back, y'all, and that's mainly because Spirit was just like, you missed a few components that we wanted you to share or include in your video. So here I am. Okay, so just to recap, I spoke about healing the sacral chakra. I also spoke about spiritual disease and how physical ailments and physical sickness is a manifestation of spiritual disease. I did forget to include that that also includes mental disorders and mental illnesses, which is also a manifestation of spiritual disease. Now, energetically, what that looks like is energetic attachments, energetic blockages, stagnant energy, energetic discoloration, and energetic imbalances, just to name a few. Okay, now the next part that I wanted to include is wounding and trauma within your sacral chakra. What's happening is soul fragmentation. Okay, where you are losing or missing parts of your soul, which is why I went into the three ways, or I suggested three options for really deep healing within your soul chakra, because it gets down to the soul blueprint. And again, that is soul retrieval, past life regression, and hypnotherapy, which is hypnosis. Okay, because it goes to the soul level, and this would impact your higher selves, your multidimensional selves, as well as your over self. Okay, all connected, all are affected and impacted. Okay, now I may do another video on that, but I wanted to focus on the sacral chakra. The other part that I wanted to include is this happens to be the jackpot. Okay, for folks who are heavily involved and well versed in harnessing, harvesting, and siphoning energy. So that would be harvesting your manifestations, but they're using your wounding and your trauma as an access point. Okay, and not only because it's where you create and it's where you house your manifestation, that's why it's the jackpot for many individuals who practice dark magic, black magic, and baneful magic. So to keep or mitigate harvesting or harnessing or even gaining access, the key is to heal and to, one, not allow access points to that. And usually one thing that I will say is what provides access to that is heals, rips, and tears within your auric field. Okay, and that is attached to wounding and trauma. Okay, which provides an access point to your sacral chakra. And these individuals who practice dark magic or black magic, they attach energetic cords. And this is how spell work is effective, because they're connecting a cord. Now, the easiest way to do that is through physical activity, more specifically getting it in, sexual activity, which is why it is so important to be vigilant and practice discernment with whom you choose to be intimate with, exchange your sexual energy with, as well as when. Okay, when is also key. Okay, I say that because transits, moments where placements, times, days is also factored into spell work. Okay, now the last part before I end this video, there are a multitude of ways to go about healing your sacral chakra. I had mentioned three ways by way of a holistic practitioner or spiritual practitioner. Other ways that you can do for yourself would be one, again, diet, nutrition, focusing on herbs as well as fruits and vegetables that have a color of red, orange, and yellow. Also would be by way of, Louise Hay, positive affirmations, which is also helpful, and also doing inner child work. Okay, you've probably heard that term. That deserves a video on its own. But those are just a few ways that you can address healing your sacral chakra. And I hope that is helpful. Spirit, did I miss anything? Okay, we are good. We are good. So with that, thank you for commenting, sharing, following, and and I hope to see you on the next one. I'm out, guys. Peace.